Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're back in my 4 Series, the F32 that I do have, and we're doing a little interior mod today. So what I've done is I've literally purchased these footwell lights from AliExpress. They came from China, but in fact they came very quick. I think they're only like £9 including free delivery, and they have a lot of options. So the ones I've gone for are the orange and white color, because the factory ambient lighting in my car is orange, and then you have the sports mode and it's set to white. And I know they have a few other options, so you can go for orange and blue, and I think there was another one. I can't remember what the other one was. There was 3 options, but yeah, I went for orange and white just because I feel like it'll go with the whole car, and obviously because I've got red interior as well, I didn't want to go for orange and blue. But I feel like there are some kits you can buy anyway that if you get ambient lighting, aftermarket ambient lighting, that's OEM, you can get orange and blue. So I think that's why they do that, but I just went for orange and white. And in my F32 I do have standard footwell lights, and those do stay on during night time. So with the automatic headlights, it's just that during night time they don't really lighten up the interior cabin at all. They're quite dim, so that's why I've gone for these. And in the pictures that they do show from the seller, they do show that it's meant to light up, and because the LEDs is meant to really brighten up the cabin. So they're really easy to install. It should literally just be plug and play. You pop the old one out, put the connector into the new one, and it literally should just work. You don't need any coding, nothing like that. So but yeah, I'll take them out and I'll show you what they do look like, and then obviously we'll get them installed. And then obviously, as you would have saw from the intro, I would have put like a little intro. I would have liked to get a before and after, but obviously you won't be able to see anything at daytime, and obviously I'm not going to wait till nighttime because I'm just going to get these installed right now. But I will get you after, so don't worry about that. And then obviously you can make a decision whether to purchase these or not for yourself. One thing to consider though is that a lot of F-Series that I have read on Bimmer forums, some people on their F30s, F32s, F36, whatever F-Series they have, some people, the footwells don't stay on during night time, and with the side lights and stuff like that, they only stay on when someone opens the door. So it's like the welcome closing lights and stuff like that. So only when they open the door it comes on a white color. It doesn't stay on at all times, which I don't know. And I believe on Bimmer forums it's not possible to code it. I couldn't see anyone that said they've managed to code it, so just be wary of that. So before you go ahead and buy these, just have a look to see, first of all, on your iDrive if you do have ambient lighting, because you do need the ambient lighting package for this, I believe. Otherwise I don't think you'll go from orange, classic, which is orange, and sports, which is white. So just see if you have the ambient lighting package settings on your iDrive, and then just take a look underneath the driver side footwell and the passenger side footwell and see if you do have them. If you do have all that, then go ahead, just buy these, and then just watch me install them, and then obviously make a decision whether you want them or not. But anyways, that's it from me. Let me unbox these, show you what they look like, and then we'll just take them out, put them in, and hopefully they look good. So let's go. Okay, so I'm just got that packaging here. So this is what it does come in. So it just comes in a standard packaging. All it says is 3D shadow lights. I believe this is the same company that gave my door projector lights. But yeah, I'll take them out. And you do get, well, it's not very safe, is it? But you do get this little tool. I don't know, maybe this is to help pry them out, your old footlights, but I don't get how that would help. But I have a set of pry tools, so that's all you'd need anyway. Not really anything else you need. See if I can get this open. There we go. There we go. And that's all it is. So it's a 4-pin connector, as you can see. I believe they do 3-pin connectors as well. You'll have to just double check on that one, I'm not pretty sure. But as you can see, don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can literally see the LEDs inside, and it's a clear thing, and it looks like this is metal, so you know it is very good quality as well. So, and yeah, that's about it. Very basic packaging, but that's all you need. So you just get two, obviously one for the drivers, one for the passengers. But yeah, let's get this installed.